Welcome, my name is Emerald C and I am here with a Unice wig unboxing. Super excited about this because this is my fourth wig I've ordered from Unice. The first wig I actually ordered was for my wedding. This right here is actually my wedding day hair. Came out lovely, absolutely loved it. So that was my first box. Then I ordered a straight lace wig from Unice also. So then I was on box number 2. So that was my second order. Then I ordered my third box from Unice. This was like my post-wedding treat. I'm gonna end up doing this unboxing in a completely different video, so I need you guys to stay tuned. For now, we are going to do this Unice wig unboxing. We're gonna empty the contents of the bag. We got this little foldable thing. It says bye bye knots, because this is actually the wig I got. It's a bye bye knot wig, hand dyed lace, 7x5 golden ratio lace size, zigzag precise cut, glueless adhesiveness. Okay, but I still put glue. You can still see the glue because I don't want to do glueless, so I want to make sure it stays. 1 minute installation time, 2-time secure with a 3D silicone band, and 360 fill, airflow, and stay cool. Love it. All right, so it has even more information on that, and it tells more of what you can do. This right here tells when it was started, 2016, 10 locations worldwide, 5 million customers worldwide, 1,000 styles, yada yada, all that fun stuff. And we have this little baggie. We have little press-on nails. The wig band thing that secures and allows it to lay and melt while it's, while it's melting. I don't even know what it's called for this. Our HD wig cap. So I already used a wig cap. This is an HD wig cap. It's just like a basic wig cap, but I love how Unice always adds, and they have their own little brand of it. And you'll notice the difference because this right here is so transparent. Like, look at it. It's almost like nothing. I love it. But I'm not using it this time because I wanted to do an unboxing. So I wanted to make sure we opened everything together. So this is what the wig looks like. We're going to pull her right out the bag. Ooh. This is such a pretty, oh my God, it's such a pretty brown. I love this. Because I wanted something fall-like. Look. This is what it looks like. It's 18 inches. So we're gonna take out the tissue paper. We're gonna remove the netting. We're gonna remove the little styrofoam. There we go, up close. And then inside, the little elastic band. And I already have on, of course, my my cat, my little bold cat. And I put the glue on. There are, unfortunately, some areas that didn't dry correctly. Totally my bad. I'm not a lace installer. I just know enough to do my own hair. Let's get to it. We got these clips underneath. I love the clips. They make me feel more secure. We're going to pull it from the back. I'm going to secure the clips underneath. You make sure I have the lace lined up. There we go. In the front. And I'm gonna pull it right on down. You make sure I line it up with the glue. There we go. Little lace melt spray. I'm only spray a little bit around the edges and distribute that just a little bit. We're gonna get our little elastic band. There we go. And secure it around There we go. That feels nice and secure. I like a little bit of a deeper part. So I'm gonna part it on a curve. My little wax stick. Hot comb. A little bit of mousse. I'm going to go ahead and remove this little elastic band. Wow, okay. A little bit of powder, because I'm over here shining. There we go. Absorb some of this oil. Alright, so this is pretty much all of the final touches to my hair. I'm loving her, alright? I'm absolutely loving her. It feels natural, looks natural. We skipped the baby hair. We're not doing baby hair with this one. We just want it to be like a nice, cutesy, full, simple, minimalistic hairstyle. Quick install. So this is what we look like. If you like this install or this unboxing, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, share. Give my information away. Sharing is caring. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo.